Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page on Weebly. This is incredibly useful when you want to create multiple pages with similar layouts or content, saving you tons of time instead of building each page from scratch. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where all your created websites are stored and managed. Under the website option, you'll notice an Edit Site button. Click on that to proceed. You'll now see a list of all the websites you've created in Weebly. Choose the specific website that contains the page you want to copy. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to open the editor for that particular website. Perfect. You're now in the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens, where you can customize layouts, add content, and manage your pages. At the top of the editor, you'll see a menu bar. From this menu, click on Pages. This will open up a view showing all the pages that currently exist within your website. Browse through your pages and select the one you want to duplicate. This could be any page, whether it's a landing page, a product page, or a blog post layout that you want to reuse. Once you've selected the page, simply click on Copy. This action creates an exact duplicate of the selected page, including all its content, layout, and design elements. And there you have it. You now have a duplicate page ready to customize however you need. This duplicate appears in your pages list, and you can rename it, edit it, or use it as a template for new content. This feature is perfect for maintaining consistency across your site while still being able to make individual adjustments to each page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.